Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your content management with Drupal step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Drupal admin interface. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the configuration section in the main menu. Scroll down to the media category. Select the file system option. Check the current settings for the public file system path. Make a note of this path for reference. Next, navigate to People in the main menu. Review user roles and permissions. Ensure that appropriate roles have access to manage content. Modify permissions if necessary to restrict unauthorized access. Go to Content Types in the Structure section. Select the content type you want to protect. Edit the settings to control visibility. Adjust the access settings under Publishing Options. Next, install the Content Access module for enhanced permissions. Download the module from the Drupal repository. Upload it to your Drupal installation via the admin interface. Enable the module by navigating to Extend. Search for Content Access and check the box to enable it. Click Install at the bottom of the page. Once installed, go back to Content Types and select the relevant type again. You will now see a new tab for Access Control. Use this tab to set more granular permissions. Ensure that only trusted roles can edit or delete the content. Now, navigate to Modules under the Extend section. Search for the Path Auto module and enable it if not activated. This ensures your content URLs are user-friendly and SEO-friendly. Return to Configuration and select URL aliases. Set up patterns for automatic alias generation. Next, focus on backups. Navigate to Configuration and select Backup and Migrate. Install the module if it is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.